with Debbie in this bag.
I love it. It's a Versace bag, okay? Versace. It's Versace.
The Versace?
Yes, a Versace bag.
It actually is Versace.
I know.
Okay,
yeah,
all right.
So I like it.
Debbie and the rest of y'all will be traveling for the summer. But we're going to be competing to pack this this grip to see who can do it the fastest with the most items.
Yeah.
And they say this is a carry-on. I don't know where we're carrying it to.
You cannot carry this on. There's no overhead compartment big enough to fit it. You have to check this on, okay?
By the way, the carry-ons know is like, you can't get 3 carry-on out of this.
Exactly. And it's branded fragile, because, yeah.
Fragile. We have a minute to put all the items in here, so let's see who's going to be able to fill this thing up first.
Okay, do you go first?
Oh dear, let's open
I just feel like you can do this. I'll learn from you.
All right.
Okay. No. Adrian, man. Suppose me catch up something.
But look here, I did have something. Look, I did have the strap.
Exactly, to hold it in place. You see? All right, I'll hold it for you.
Essentials, if you never have this for your grip.
You know, it's not your bag. Exactly.
That's how you mark your bag.
All right, come, Frenny.
All right, the timer's ready?
Ready, 1 minute. 1 minute on the clock. Okay, we're going for a weekend.
We're going for a weekend.
Friday, and we're coming back on.
Hold on, the clock start.
Clock start. Okay, good. All right.
Since it's a
1 minute.
All right.
All right.
That weekend, we have
That's summer. That's summer.
Jamaica, I feel represent.
All right.
Nice I like to roll and not fold, because rolling actually gives you more space. But don't steal my
so?
Yes.
I do it the other way.
No, I actually tried it the other day.
I do it the other way. It works for me. Especially when I have jacket.
No, I'm from a vacation. This doesn't sound cool. Nope.
Come. Oh, all right.
Need that. I can work with this stuff.
Yeah, look, a hat never hurt nobody.
Is that suit?
Ooh.
Yeah, girl.
You find the top for it, girlie.
Find the top for it.
You're good to go. How many seconds she have left? She have less than 30 seconds.
What else me need? Me need a bag. It's a beach bag.
Less than 10 seconds.
But full of this something here. Don't
no, no lie. Honestly, Adrian. 47.
Many.
Okay, less than 10 seconds for sure.
Green? What am I going with the shorts?
Okay.
Baby, all right, me have something else in case I got dinner.
Me
I got dinner. Hold on, me I got dinner. This look dinner?
Time's up. Time's up on the clock. Show the people what you have into your luggage, please.
Let me see if we didn't miss
Turn it around for me, please. Ladies and gents, I don't know how you guys gonna get this.
I never carry a one bad suit, Debbie.
Your time is up. Did you hear me say your time is up?
Not even a one.
There, John, your time is up. You now no more time to pack in the little things them into the bag. Listen, all she come here with is a one dress, a felt hat, two necessities, you know, a suit, a mesh merino suit right here, a one shorts. Okay.
Okay, so these are going together.
Okay.
I paired these together.
Yes. And a dress.
This here, right?
For clubbing.
For clubbing.
Right. This dress is for dinner.
This dress is for dinner with my bag.
Right.
And because I'm going on the beach, so you see the red ties in with this right here.
I love that. Good thinking.
The felt, the felt is just a little, because you know it might be hot and so.
Right.
And it's a shirt to sleep in.
You can't go wrong with a shirt.
And a couple things. Necessities.
Right. Exactly. Okay. You didn't go on too bad.
If you have pants. I sleep.
You know what I think? I think we should put your things over that side and let me try and do this side. Or you know what? It's okay.
Are you warm up my goods?
No, it's fine. I'm a good man. We can find some other things.
All right.
All right. 10 of my time now. I pack in the very opposite way. I don't roll things. I lay them out. I find I get more space with it. Especially when I pack in jacket. Yeah, I do.
No, rolling is...
No, man. Jacket.
You carrying your verses?
I am putting in my bag. Go. Verses into the there. Okay. All right. See there, sir. All right, I have a one.
You're gonna grab my skirt there?
Because I want to go decent to foreign locks. All right, me need because you know I didn't miss it all the time.
What clothes for vacation?
And pants. Don't worry about that. Is the packing speed we're looking at. All right, fold it right there. So, ooh, I love this top. You can go with anything, don't you?
With the jeans, yeah, that don't look bad.
Can I wear with the jeans? Not too bad. See it? We have
I don't like how this makes me look. I have shorts and mesh, and Debbie's putting
a pillowcase is not necessary. I'm going to somebody out there must have pillow. All right, the little one.
Evangelist, Debbie right here.
Yeah, man, not so bad at all. You see, you get all of the skimpy things, you know, you're going with them. What is this? That is not for me. What is this? I don't know, Rasta, I don't know.
It's not a minute yet.
Okay, not my style of stuff. But okay, I'll just pack them in there anyways, right? It's a packing contest. This is not my style. I'm not wearing that. No,
we are going to Sosa pants. We are going with that.
I don't know yet. Hold on, Adidas pressuring so.
Hold on. Time, Debbie.
Is it time?
We are going to what is this?
For when nights
What do you
get
call
cold.
this again?
When nights get cold and you have to just lay down inside there.
Flannel.
Yeah.
We're going to flannel on vacation.
Because when the house is AC, you know, the outside may be hot, but the house is normally AC'd out. It's gonna get cold.
Let me show you Evangelist.
Yeah.
Evangelist is going to wear this top.
At least I'm going to heaven. Where are you going?
With this skirt.
Yeah, I feel like we had a wealth of options here. We didn't have a lot of options, my darling.
She come out with her jeans.
That may I tell you.
And her white tee.
Very appropriate for any occasion.
And then
I'm an handbag.
this is what she's wearing to bed.
Listen to me right now. You see this now?
She on vacation with Bay, you know. And she bring out
Don't
her
worry about that.
sweatpants.
Hold on now. I'm going to show you how the thing and go. All right, so the white shirt there. See the jeans pants. Pass my handbag, give me now. Pass my handbag, give me now. You can't talk to me, Daydream. Why you talk to me and tell me, say? What exactly going to tell me, say? It's a full suit of clothes. Yes.
When you see me,
yes, sir?
put on this.
See, sir?
Hold on, let me show you this.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
sir?
Can't talk on you, sir. Wait there, put this here, sir.
See?
Let me show you.
But outside.
Let me show you how this
Outside. See, they're shopping on the mall. Hello.
No. Look
mall.
Here,
yeah.
Talk to it. When you see
Olive
me.
Garden dinner. Hello. Yeah. See there? Hey, niceness. I like it.
When you see me, you're not fit.
Beach, Florida, you gone, girl.
Watch ya.
Florida, you gone.
I'm in Miami.
Florida Beach. Put on your felt hat now with it. Put on your felt hat.
When
now.
you see me in Miami.
You're gone. You just want to start singing when me roast me yellow yam.
When you see me in Miami.
I cannot bother.
Talk to it. You know that same spiking letter.
You know your accent changes at airports, right?
I know.
You know that. Hello, listen.
Hello.
Oh my
say,
God.
hey, where you from?
Is this it? This is it for Weekend Smile, guys. We hope you enjoyed the show. Talk about the things them inside here. So anyways, our hurricane relief drive is still ongoing. So we ask, as you know, 1 cocoa in full basket. So we know the deadline was yesterday, but we have extended it to midday today to help our fellow Jamaicans who have been hit really badly by burial. Drop-off points are here, 32 Lyndhurst Road, or at the Gleaner, 7 North Street, Kingston. And do you want to tell them about the money part?
Okay, you can send money to our business account here at Television Jamaica. It's a saving account, and the account number is 108-22945. That's 108-22945. Remember, every mickle make a muckle. And the thought for the day is having fun is not a diversion from a successful life. And that's by Martha N. Beck. I am taking.
And that's why we have so much fun today. Hello, check in my song. Yeah, so my song here play. And I'm home time. Bye-bye, everybody. See you next week.